Ok, vous me suivez, vous ne touchez pas, vous tenez juste comme ça. Vous n'appuyez rien, oui. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Professor Olojanise Nkunku. I'm the first Doctor of Philosophy in International Petroleum, Minerals and Energy. Wanura Kwachita, International Petroleum, Minerals, Energy Attorney, Expert and a Diplomat of the United Nations. As everybody knows that our official, the Secretary General of the United Nations. We must replace Antonio Guterres, who are demanding our key, so to sit there. Without sitting as a Secretary General, it will be a confiscation, and the confiscation will lead with a hand very badly. Today we are August 17, 2024. Aujourd'hui nous sommes le 17 août 2024. Au Congolais, je ne vous ai pas souhaité bonne fête d'indépendance. Il faut que Sassou Nguesso part, parce que tout autour il y a des petits au Gabon, des petits Tshisekedi en RDC, des petits au Burkina, des petits au Mali et tout ça. Par rapport à Denis Sassou Nguesso, moi je trouve que je ne peux pas vous souhaiter l'indépendance. Nous demandons à Sassou Nguesso de prendre ces choses et de partir. Okay? Même Trump était parti avant de revenir. Donc c'est ça qu'il faut faire. Aujourd'hui, c'est le jour de la commémoration de Kofi Annan. Et tout le monde le sait que j'ai été aux États-Unis. J'ai été aux États-Unis pendant 7 ans. 7 ans. J'ai travaillé pour l'Ultramar, donc la filiale d'une grande compagnie pétrolière du Texas qu'on appelle Valero. Donc Ultramar. Vous pouvez vérifier ça comme manager. Donc ça c'est dans le service public avant que je ne puisse terminer mon doctorat. Quand je termine le doctorat sur le pétrole, les minerais et l'énergie et à l'intérieur l'astrophysique, je vais donc travailler pour le service public. Donc Barack Obama ne m'avait jamais aidé. Biden ne m'a jamais aidé. Ils ont bénéficié de mes services. Ok? Mais il y a deux bonnes personnes dans ma vie. Il y a le professeur Alain Prouginaire qui a supervisé ma thèse de doctorat et qui a dit que si on nous tue, nous allons mourir tous les deux. Mais je veux amener au bon terme cette thèse-là. Il faut que un noir soit le premier docteur en droit international du pétrole, des minerais et de l'énergie. Et il a fait. Donc c'est visible, ce n'est pas une promesse et tout ça. Si vous demandez à Barack Obama qu'est-ce qu'il a fait, rien. C'est le poison et tout ça. Donc nous ne voulons pas qu'il vienne tout autour là. On n'a rien à faire avec lui. La deuxième personne, c'est Kofi Annan. Quand je termine mon doctorat, il va être confronté, avant que je termine, il va être confronté au programme pétrole contre nourriture. Et pétrole contre nourriture. Et puisqu'il s'est opposé, aux États-Unis, qui veut aller en guerre au Sarajevo, Pristina et tout ça. Il veut s'opposer aux États-Unis qui préparaient la guerre sur l'Irak. Et comme on m'a fait aujourd'hui, on a attaqué le secrétaire général des Nations Unies. Tous les Africains se sont levés pour protéger Kofi Annan et une force. Mais Kofi Annan, c'est aussi, non, pas seulement l'Africain. Il est le secrétaire général de tout le monde. Il avait des amis partout, même en Irak. Vous vous souvenez, la guerre devrait commencer aujourd'hui. Kofi Annan avait demandé, avec son charisme, avait demandé une pause. Et quand il a demandé une pause, on avait avorté la guerre. Il est allé en Irak et on a avorté la guerre. Malheureusement, ils sont revenus à la charge, mais c'est grâce à Kofi Annan. C'est grâce à Kofi Annan qu'il a arrêté la guerre en Irak. Aujourd'hui, j'ai les fleurs ici, journée commémorative. Sans lui, je ne serais pas procureur international des affaires pétrolières minière et énergétique des Nations Unies. C'est la porte des Nations Unies. Ce n'est pas les États-Unis qui m'ont amené aux États-Unis. J'avais écrit quand je défends l'examen prospectif, donc le premier examen doctoral, il faut l'avoir, sinon on ne te laisse pas continuer. Dès que j'ai soutenu, j'ai écrit à Kofi Annan. Nous sommes là en 2006-2007. Okay? Je ne connais pas Barack Obama, je n'étais pas marié. Okay? Par rapport aux gens qui viennent voter aujourd'hui dans la franc-maçonnerie, c'est nous qui devrons voter pour qu'ils puissent manger, qu'ils puissent s'asseoir. On ne vous connaît pas, la charte des Nations Unies ne vous connaît pas. Mais merci aux alliés qui nous ont aidés. Aujourd'hui, donc, cette journée commémorative, vous pouvez voir, il y a les Afghans là-bas. Les Afghans, aujourd'hui il y a aussi les Soudanais qui sont là-bas, vous pouvez les voir. Le matin, il y avait les Chinois qui étaient là, les mamans chinois. Je ne sais pas pourquoi les mamans chinois m'aiment beaucoup. Et je suis leur chouchou. Il y avait aussi les gens de la Malaisie. La Malaisie, malheureusement, ma machine ne marche plus. Je demande à la diaspora de venir me donner un ordinateur. Ça coûte juste quoi pour vous servir, si vous voulez que je puisse continuer, parce qu'on a attaqué mon ordinateur, en cyberattaque, on a attaqué mon ordinateur, on a détruit les données que je peux avoir. Alors, il faut gagner la guerre de la communication. We must win the war of communication. So now, you see, I'm going with my suitcase, the logo of New York. I'm going to put the flower. Africa never celebrate themselves. Imagine there is a UN mission here. President Akufo, UN mission here. I applied for passport, but I regret why Kwame Nkrumah is not coming back and why Kofi Annan is not coming back. So, passe là, on reprend ça. Ça, vous voyez-vous, c'est le mémorial de Bosnie-Herzégovine. Le génocide à Srebrenica. Le génocide à Srebrenica. Et Kofi Annan s'était opposé farouchement. Donc on a attaqué ses enfants pour le programme pétrole contre nourriture. Et je viens déposer une gerbe de fleurs avec le logo de New York comme le successeur. Kofi Annan est le 7e secrétaire général des Nations Unies. Et moi je suis le 1er et le 10e secrétaire général des Nations Unies élu. Kofi Annan, go to tell Kwame Nkrumah that all embassy of African refuse to deliver me a passport. Okay? The African passport was created by Toumani Touré, President Déby, and the president supported by President of Rwanda, Kagame. So Kofi Annan tell them that African Union does to work for interests of Africa, like Kwame Nkrumah and you wanted. Tell them that DRC, Mali, Burkina Faso refuse to deliver all African. South Africa refuse to deliver the passport to their son Africa, like Kwame Nkrumah, Mariam Gwabi, Fulbert Yulu, Alphonse Massamba Deba, Lumumba, Sankara wanted. Go to tell Kofi Annan, go to tell Kwame Nkrumah and Mwalimu Julius Nyerere, that Africa refuse its own development. They have to go to complicit. They want just small money and the perpetuation of colonization. Kofi Annan go to tell our ancestor from Kenya, from Rwanda, from DRC, from Zimbabwe, go to tell Mandela that Africa refuse to stand for their own interest. They are giving son belong to Freemasonry to have small money and to sacrifice their children. Kofi Annan go to tell all president die of Africa, Kenneth Kaunda. Go to tell Amilcar Cabral that African people choose mediocrity, corruption, Freemasonry, and perpetuation of colonization for small money, and they refuse to stand for their own interests, to protect their children, to protect their wife, to protect their husband, to protect the family, to protect their territory, to protect. Kofi Annan go to tell John Rawlings, Nasser Gamal from Egypt, that Africa refuse, neglect their children in exile, the diaspora, they neglect their children. Go to tell John Rawlings and Amadou Ahidjo, Marien Ngouabi, Fulbert Youlou, Professor Pascal Lissouba, that Africa refused to unite. But today, I create United Pan-African Nation. United Pan-African Nation. Union Pan-Africaine. Union des Nations Pan-Africaines. To replace African Union. I created, Professor Nkunku, the son of Congo, the descendant of Queen Kimpavita. I create United Pan-African Nation. Kofi Annan. Tell Kwame Nkrumah, I create, even if they neglect me, if their own embassy, when they see me, they run away, complicit with colon. But I give the gift, my man give the gift to Africa, United Pan-African Nation, Union des Nations Pan-Africaines. That the new structure has African Union is corrupted. African Union never work for the interest for Africa. African Union never work for interest for Algeria, for Sudan, Congo, Zimbabwe, South Africa. So Kofi Annan go to tell our ancestors, I'm still fighting despite 405 poison, because look at the water I'm drinking, because they put poison in biscuit and everything. And all African sit, look at the genocide. When they target me, when they target their own son, when they target their own, when they take their territory, they put balkanization. That what you have to know, Kofi Annan. Go to tell our ancestors in Africa, I try my best. Gaddafi is not coming back. Go to tell Gaddafi that I create United Pan-African Nation. L'Union des Nations Pan-Africaines will work for interests of Africa. Go to tell my mother, Hélène Biémi, without her, Africa should not have this institution. Without her, I could not lead petroleum in Canada and all nations. Even if Niger is supposed to have a solution from me pipeline, Dangote Raffine could have a solution because I lead Russia, I lead China, I lead Canada. I was in Ottawa, member of Liberal Party when the big conference of petroleum was in Montreal. They chose me to lead all situation of leadership of Canada, but all situation of petroleum of the world, from Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Mediterranean, from Caspian to Black Sea, from Kenot, when Biden killed Kenot, and Biden continued to kill Nord Stream 2, there is a deficit of energy in Europe, in America. I told you that there's still money in America and around the world. The budget, they didn't accelerate the problem of electricity. Even if you have a machine, there is not enough electricity. How are you going to drive the development? Kofi Annan, I created the radio, television, go to tell our ancestors, go to tell all the people who die in Latin American leader Hugo Chavez. Hugo Chavez, go to tell Stalin, go to tell Winston Churchill, go to tell Elizabeth II and her husband Philip that I created the radio, television of United Nations that no one created in the world. Go to tell her I try my best to do contribution, but Africa doesn't want to help. They attack me because they went with the enemy just by jealousy. But I call even if those who were jealous to join me, to move for Africa, and that the responsibility me I create. Let us see if they have a good management. Since independence, they have a poor management. Because me too, you see people of Afghanistan, you see people of Indonesia, they were here, people of Thailand, people of India, people of Sri Lanka, people of Pakistan, they were here to support me, They need me there. That's why I support the president in my country, because global affair, we need a new United Nations. So that's the message we have for Kofi Annan commemoration. For the country, I'm not going to go again to Embassy of Mali. I'm going to go again to UN mission of Ghana. I'm tired to go to bed. I will not go to Embassy of South Africa. I want to go Embassy of African Union, because they refuse to give me the passport they didn't create. It was created by President Deby, President Toumani Touré, President supported by the President of Rwanda, Kagame. That's what you have to know. I will do my best to go with other people. Allah will deliver me the passport, diplomatic passport to leave. Look at the clothes I have. I didn't eat. I am showing these clothes. Okay, these clothes. I'm showing these clothes. I keep the same clothes. They attack me. They attack my computer. They attack my computer, they destroy everything. And go to tell Kofi Annan, go to tell Kwame Nkrumah, go to tell Amical Mwalimu, Julius Nyerere, Go to tell Dr. Magufuli that only him giving me money to eat in Nairobi when I was mistreated by black people, by African people. Go to tell Dr. Magufuli that he was right to be alone, never travel, and to be focused on this country and win development. Go to tell Dr. Magufuli that I wanted to marry her daughter and Mama Janet Magufuli. But white supremacists destroy my family, and God decided me to be priest ad vitam aeternam. Go to tell Dr. Magufuli, Kofi Annan, Lumumba, Thomas Sankara, that I will continue even if Africa neglect me, betray me, mistreat me, that want to help, even if to buy a computer for me, went with enemy. They continue slavery because black sell other black in slavery. Without it, the slavery could not be. But to tell them, Africa refuse, even if to feed me, to come together, to unite, even if they don't help me. But look at many people of diaspora there. They want to go back home. When Ramaphosa was in London, many people of diaspora wanted to get home. But Ramaphosa left them in London. All African presidents left them. Go to tell Colonel Gaddafi, Kofi Annan, that all Africans are in jail, and I will try my best to help despite those betrayal has. And God bless all nations. Kofi Annan was not only the man of Africa, but he was the Secretary General, the seven Secretary General, and me the 10 Secretary General of United Nations. Make 17. Make 17. 7, 10. Go to tell Kofi Annan that I will keep my integrity. I never will be gay. I never will get in Freemasonry. Lead himself to death. Ghana people to death. African people to death for decades in Latin America. I never will be Freemasonry criminal organization. I will lead the world with integrity, with the Charter of United Nations, and I never will sell myself in prostitution. Kofi Annan, tell our ancestors die. Tell Aimé Césaire in the Caraïbes, Aimé Césaire in the Caraïbes. So Professor Kalala Omotunde was killed, and Africa didn't do anything, didn't march. Go to tell many leaders in the Caribbean, we lose, and no one can help them. I will try my best. I will help also Asia as the issue of electricity, energy. They will come to see me. They can do whatever they want. They can look, someone can replace me. But in cannot, Papuan, Niger, Papuan, Rafin, Antarctic, Mediterranean, Gaza, they don't have any solution. Kofi Annan, go to tell them when you were here, you look expertise. You looked expertise to solve your problem, petrol contre nourriture. But go to tell people that they put Barack Obama is not minded. They put mindless people that wanted the seat at the UN Security Council, but they don't know why the seat, when you ask them why a woman sit, why two sit, and what you will solve, they don't know what to do. They want to take someone who have a PhD, but the PhD doesn't have a man. So Kofi Annan, I will solve it. I create the People United Nations. I created the People United Nations. If they don't want us to get in this United Nations, have a blood, we create our own United Nations, the People's United Nations, les Nations Unies des peuples. I try my best. God bless Africa. God bless Asia. God bless ex-Yugoslavia. That Kofi Annan fights to end the war. Pristina. God bless ex-Yugoslavia country. God bless Russia. God bless United States of America. God bless IS country, Mali, Burkina Faso, Niger. God bless Senegal. God bless Asia, China, Japan, Thailand, Malaysia. God bless Bangladesh. Go to tell Aung San Suu Kyi that Myanmar still in the war and Bangladesh still not having solution. Go to tell Benazir Bhutto, the suffer of people of Pakistan remain there, and I will try my best to solve it. But I have to sit. I never will be president. I never allow someone decide for us. You and me, we study international here. You were in Geneva, the Hautes Études Internationales, and me, I went to study European and international, include Australia, Africa, Latino, and in the University of Lausanne. That's my career. And go to tell our ancestors that they steal my revenue. They kill my mother, Hélène Biyemi, the mother of the People's United Nations. Go to tell our ancestor, Gaddafi, Hugo Chavez, and others, that Patrice Lumumba, that they confiscate my money that I worked for at the United Nations, the money of my family. Go to tell Kofi Annan, go to tell our ancestors that I will try my best to fight, and I never will be president. I'm United Nations Secretary General, and I never will lead the people in the same way that you lead your people to death, the way of Freemasonry, 8, 4, 3, 2, 6, 9, and that is not our way. The way I will lead them is a 10 commandments. 10 commandments. I'm the first non-Masonic Secretary General, and the 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. I'm the first doctor. I'm the first Lura Wachita. I'm the first non-Masonic Secretary General. Mathematically, geomathematically, is that the way of God, the respect of life, the respect of right, that where I will go to avoid death in Gaza, in Herzegovina, Pristina, Sarajevo, to avoid death in Caribbean, Haiti, Cuba. That's the way I will go, the way of God. I will lead all nations, but I never will go the way of Freemasonry. Thank you. God bless all nations. And God, today is this August 17, 2024. God bless all nations. You can copy my speech because I'm professor of English. Even if those speak English speaking, they cannot have this kind of speech. No one in the world can have this speech. It's come from God. Thank you, thank you, thank you.